Hi everybody. Um, just uh, just giving you a little bit of an idea how this thing will work. When you open your phone, you will get this screen. Um, this is the very first chapter of the online course, and I've moved down a few notches to Australia. It's got 6 activities, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you'll just press start on your phone. Okay. And you're straight into this activity. You have Lorraine speaking with Ron. Lorraine is a woman's name, Ron, and they're at a barbecue. They're having a chat. So this is activity 1 called Where Are You From? And usually we say something like Australia is very big. But I asked you where are you from, you'd say, oh, I'm from Burma or wherever. I'm from Vietnam. So this is what you do. You listen to the audio. Now, the audio is listening, as you probably know, listen. And by clicking this here, you can listen like this.
So, where are you from, Lorraine?
I can also pause it. So, where are you from, Lorraine? And of course, you can also read the script here. And he says, so, where are you from, Lorraine? And you can continue.
I'm from the Northern Territory.
I'm from the Northern Territory. Now, Northern Territory is like a state, a very big place, and much bigger than Victoria. It's not actually politically a state like Victoria is, but that's not important. But there's a city called Alice Springs. So he says,
Do you live near Alice Springs?
No.
And do you live near Alice Springs? Lorraine says, no. Now, Alice Springs is in the south of the place, so she lives in the north.
No, I live in the north, near Darwin. And you?
And you? And you? Means, what about you? What's your story? Ron says,
I'm from Western Australia. I live in Perth.
I live in Perth, the big city, the capital city of Western Australia. A very big place. Lorraine says,
That's nice. Perth is a beautiful city.
That's right, it is. I used to live there, and it is a beautiful city. So you can continue and answer the questions. You see? Lorraine is from the Northern Territory. Yes, she is. We'll say true. Submit. Now, submitting, it tests you and says yes or no. Yes, correct. Good. If you're false, you can take it again. So you can take it again. Like go down farther. Keep going down. You see, now you've got 3, 4. There are 4 questions. I see. Okay, that's right. So question number 2 will be Lorraine lives near Alice Springs. Is that true? No, she doesn't. She lives near Darwin. So you would say false. But you could get confused and say true, and then you'd get an answer like this, incorrect, which means wrong. That means you could take it again. Try take it again. Again, you can say Lorraine lives near Alice Springs, and this time you know it's not true, it's actually false. Because she lives near Darwin, you see. So you would continue with 3 and 4. And if you could, take a picture of your answers, because by the time you get to 3, Ron is from Victoria, false. Ron lives in Perth, true. When you submit all that then, you should get, no? Oh, well, when you submit that, then you continue and go down to activity 2, states and territories. Again, you press start and you'll continue. So you've got a good start and keep going down till the activity goes to the end, to activity 6. Now, there's no time limit. If you stop, come along tomorrow, it'll continue from where you were. You don't have to do it all over again. You can take as much time as you like and do it again and again and again and get used to the language, the way people speak in Australia, and get to know a little bit about the country. Okay? And when you finish all that, I'll call you tomorrow to see how you're doing, or the next day that you actually have a class. And yes, I'll be doing Lily's students this week. Now, next week, you'll be getting a new teacher, really nice person who's been teaching for a long time. She's very friendly and got a beautiful, slightly American accent. She'll be easy to understand. And yeah, okay. So all the best, and I'll see you again.